Thutha wa irabu mirongo itatu na igiri gukanjirwo marua ma uruti wira kaunti ya Nairobi gukirikana ni ciagararite mawatho maria magathikitwo megie kurekereria inegene rikiruku maturaini maria maikaragwo ni muingi. Riu ene irabu no mathiete nambere na gwicurania uria mekunina thina uyu kuona mawira mao ni mahutitio na njira nene.
Good afternoon.
Makiaria rungu rwa kiama kiao gia Perak, ene irabu aya maugite ona thengia wa gukorwo ni marateya kihoto kia Kenya gia gukorwo magiikara kundu gutari na inegene ni makoretwo na miario na thirikari ya kaunti na ikari, no indi mogaruruku magitabanio thiini wa bodi ya uheani wa marua ma wendia wa njohi.
The second meeting was also organized and we thought that we were engaging well. As talks progressed, we received information that the county government had reconstituted the Alcoholic Drinks Control Licensing Board, and it was this new board that we were to work with to ensure that all issues that had been raised by the various residents associations are reviewed and sorted.
Sheria cia biashara eno itu gutiri hindi turi twakorwo tu involved, no ni turonire governor na through deputy governor wake ni arageretie guka kuri ithue, no tutinamenya niki kirekire niguo macoke marute directive ino mararutire.
Ni maugite ikinya riri ni igutha inene kurio kuona no hathara maratara na andu aingi ni moritwo ni mawira mao, kuona sekta ino ni yandikite ta DJs, athambia ngari gatagati kangi, o undu umwe na kunyihia igoti riria thirikari yunganagia.
Ni ma DJ more than mirongo iri na kindu hau magite wira ngiri mirongo iri na kindu, na andu aya othe ri ni andu mathia makagura irio kundu, ni andu madipendagirwo ni andu a taxi mama mboga na ki.
We found this action to be punitive because all stakeholders weren't involved in the decision to shut them down. More importantly, the closures are a big blow to the entertainment ecosystem in Nairobi, as they have led to loss of jobs, a reduction in excess duty to the government, and are a threat to the empowerment of the creative economy.
Riu ni mahoete thirikari ya Nairobi kumahe ihinda ria mieri 6 makorwo mahingitie maundu maria marabatarania, na waria marabatara guthamia irabu ciao maheo ihinda ria mieri 12 nginyagia 18 niguo kwehera tauni thiini na kuri muingi.
We are ready for dialogue. Tuikare jungwa twaranirie niguo tuhote guthondeka biashara, tondu thaa ici thirikari ni irenda mbia, thaa ici ni turenda mbia, ciana citu ni irenda guthie cukuru.
So they shouldn't do a total closure immediately. We need that dialogue so that we can be able now to set things on the table and come with a solution, because we are ready
to employ short-term and long-term solutions as DJs, and also in full support of the club owners.
Maugite nimehaririie kwaraniria na thirikari niguo guetha kihonia kuona ni maigithitie mbeca nyingi sekta-ini ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.